Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Surbhi here. So nice to see all of you. Today I'm going to be doing a special painting with a special heart, which I have base coated black paint mixed with a little bit of pouring medium and water. And I'm going to be using my special bottles of Arteza paints today. Nice and beautiful colors. My brilliant red, Mars black, silver, gold, neon blue, and a bit of white as well. So I plan to do 3 puddles, and I'm going to layer paints on top of each other in the puddles. Then I'm going to wreck the paints, the puddles with a stick, and I'm hoping to have a nice, and I'm going to stretch my canvas, so hoping to have a nice beautiful pattern with red and gold and blue and silver. So let's start painting. This canvas is 30 centimeter wide, beautiful heart canvas, and I have taped the back. As you can see, it's base coated with black. Just try to take a few of the bubbles out first before we start. And let's start our beautiful painting by starting on with, I think I'm going to start with silver first. So 1, 2, and 3 puddles here. Then I would like to have blue, this beautiful neon blue color. So these are already mixed paints, beautiful colors, nice and bright, and I don't have to add anything else to them. I love these Arteza paints. A bit expensive though, but really worth it. Just take the open. It's a beautiful day today, nice and sunny here in London. I think all of you are making the most of the lovely weather as well. If it's nice and sunny in your part of the world. Coming back to the lovely blue. Silver. Try different combinations. Let's see. Oh, that's a new bottle as well. Haven't opened that yet. Okay, there we go. Didn't realize 2 bottles were not used. It's nice to try different things, as I think it's really calming and relaxing, and I enjoy my fluid art. Started this a couple of years ago now, and I'm really enjoying it and loving it. So whatever time I have free, I try to make the most of it and put that time into my beautiful painting, my fluid art, which I seem to enjoy at the moment a lot, quite a lot actually. So what is your favorite pastime hobby? Leave some comments for me, let me know, share your ideas, different things that you like to do in your spare time. Have you decided to take up painting, fluid art, or any different kind of painting? Let me know. It would be nice to know. Silver. I can see some beautiful rings. Gold. and then I would plan to wreck a little bit, and then see. I could use the marbles as well for this, but I just want to try this out, something different instead of using marbles, because in my last video I used it with marbles and it was really lots of fun, something different, as lots of people are coming up with new techniques. So one more time, tiny bit of blue, and then we're going to stop. Okay, so just wrecking it a little bit. Actually, let me pour a little bit of, I think we got enough black on the outside, but just a tiny bit more for the movement of the paints. So you can see I've got a little stick here, just trying to wreck it with a little stick, and then let's stretch our paints. Stretch the canvas. Amazing. Look at the beautiful pattern. Wow. It could come to the sides, but I think we'll see. You don't have to get the paint all over to the sides. It's because I think I've just got enough paint, so I'm not going to waste it. Okay, lovely. And it looks beautiful on the black base. So let's try to stretch it a little bit more towards the sides, coming back again. So sorry if you can't see this part, so I'm just trying to stretch it as much as I can, basically. Okay, coming back to this part, this side, and I already have a lovely pattern, and I think I'm going to stop there. Once I reach that corner, oh, nearly there. That's amazing, beautiful. Okay, that's it, and we're going to stop here. Not too much, I don't want to ruin my lovely design here. So there it is, a lovely, nice and simple pattern. It's not too flashy colors and very simple one. So let me use my blowtorch for any bubbles, air bubbles. I can see some cells popping out. So I can see some beautiful cells popping out as well. I think I just need to stretch this part a little bit more, just a tiny bit more to this side maybe, or I'll just, yeah, that's enough I think. So really happy with this piece. So I hope you like that too. and I will share the dry results with you. I'm really nice and pleased with the gold here. It's a very nice and shimmery gold. I hope it stays like that when it dries. So leave some comments for me, please, and give me a like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here with me. Really appreciate it. I hope you like it, and I'll see you next time. Until then, take care. Bye now.